Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to use guest profile in the Vivaldi browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10 and also explain what it does. A guest profile is a temporary browsing mode. It does not save your browsing history, cookies, searches or site data after you close the window. It also keeps your activity separate from your main profile. Now let's see how to open it. First open the Vivaldi browser on your computer. Now click on the profile icon in the top right corner and select Open Guest Profile in the menu. A new guest window will open. You can now browse the internet without saving any data to your main profile. However, keep in mind that this mode does not encrypt your connection. Your internet service provider, network administrator, or the websites you visit may still track your activity. That's it. This is how you can use guest profile in the Vivaldi browser. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.